Hey guys, I just posted a video showing you how to multiply iridium and grow it in this cave here on Skywell, and this will get you thousands and thousands of iridium an hour. It's way better than anything we've had and much better than anything on Carnivora. I'm not going to go over the instructions on how to multiply and grow the iridium. That's in the previous video and it's pretty detailed, and I'll have it linked down in the description. But normally you can only melee this box 2 times and collect the iridium off of it, but you can now get it up to like 8 times and even more. And some people have reported back that they stood there for 3 minutes meleeing the box and it was giving iridium non-stop. While I was testing this, I was really just focused on the iridium and not messing with the box too much. But I got some emails today to let me know that, yeah, the box is actually multiplying as well, which makes sense. So shout out to Selenor, Michael, Morgan, and Zeke. They all let me know that yes, after you break all the crystals off and you've multiplied and grown the crystals, you can also open the box multiple times. So if you've multiplied the crystals and multiplied the boxes up to like 6 hits, then you'll be able to open this box 3 times because it's 2 iridium per box. And when I was messing with this, I didn't even pay attention to that. And most of the time I never even open the box. But you can see right here that yes, that green outline on those diamonds are the top lid to the next box. To actually open the boxes, you have to go to either side and find the corner wherever it says use on it, and then you'll be able to open all of them. And this box duplication and iridium multiplying and growing now makes sense. We've seen this before on Cistern of Slaughter. There was a way to walk really far to one side of the arena and it would reset and multiply the red chest over and over again. I've seen a lot of good feedback from you guys about this. A lot of people are getting it to work. People on Xbox are having a lot of luck. They're able to get it to 8 and even more. So I'm not too sure what's going on with that platform. I haven't been able to test anything. I have seen some comments where people are not able to get it to work, and it will work. All you need to do is, if you're noticing that it's just stuck at like a 2 melee and it won't go up to even 4, then you need to completely shut the game off. Just turn it off completely. If you're on PS4 or Xbox, go back to dashboard, close it down. If you're on PC, go to desktop and just shut it all off. Then restart the entire game, and typically within a few tries you'll get it to get up to at least 6. And something that I think probably has nothing to do with this method, but I'm kind of superstitious and it kind of helps me and it works. I'll set the modifiers to like either Speed Demon or Loot Explosion every time, and most of the time it works for me. But again, I don't think that has anything to do with it. But if I'm ever struggling to get this thing to multiply, I'll just shut down the game, restart, and then start using Speed Demon and Loot Explosion multipliers back and forth. But yeah, so now this is an awesome Iridium farm and Mayhem 10 weapon farm. And this eventually will be patched because they did fix the Cistern of Slaughter loot chest that multiplied over and over again. And again, if you want instructions on how to do this, there is a very specific method and things that you need to know about it to get it to work. I'll have that video linked down in the description, and it's also the video right before this. But thank you guys for your awesome feedback. Again, if you find anything more with this or anything else you can do with this, definitely let me know, and we'll see you guys next video.